Hi everybody. So this is a Rheem electric tankless water heater, and it's a model number RETEX-08. So this is the 8 kilowatt model of this heater, and today we're going to unbox it and see what all you get when you buy one of these. So this one I bought at Home Depot, and it was they don't have this in the stores, but you can order it online and either have it delivered to your house or you can have it free pickup from the store. But even the shipping is free if you want it sent right to your house. So looks like it's got a instruction booklet, and then at the heater itself, it's actually very small, very light. So box over there, and there's your heater. So just pop it out of the down there. So there is, got your hot side there. There's some installation instructions. Cold side, and your temperature knob. That's pretty cool. So these are kind of simple. I mean, really, you just it's got a couple of spots where you have to mount some screws to hang it up on the wall. Then you've got your cold side in, your hot side out, and then you have to plug it in to your power. So there's that. And now let's take a look at what comes in here. Looks like you've got some pipe adapters, your compression fittings and rings. Actually open this up. So we've got those. And then a warranty paper, English and French and Spanish. Put that down there. Looks like there's the diagram where you have to put the holes on the wall. A little bit of information about tech support and the owner's manual for how to do the install. Size of the breaker depending on the size of the wire, and the kilowatt of the heater. So this is an 8 kilowatt heater, and it's going to need one 40 amp breaker with 8 gauge wiring. There's how you wire it. And it looks like it has other languages too, so pretty cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe.